Right now, somewhere in Lagos, Nairobi, Accra, or Kampala, a 22-year-old with no degree, no laptop, and no connections is making more money on their phone than someone with a full-time office job. Not from crypto, not from betting, not from some scheme your uncle warned you about, from a skill, one they learned in under 2 weeks. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 of those skills, the exact ones people are using right now in 2026 to go from zero to their first $200 a month. No fluff, just what to learn, where to learn it for free, and how to land your very first paying client. Before we get into it, if this is your first time here, I genuinely appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it helps this channel grow so I can keep making free videos like this one. While you're at it, tap that like button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next skill breakdown. It really does make a difference. Thank you. Okay, let's get into it. Skill 1. Writing and copywriting. If you can write a clear sentence in English, this is your lowest barrier to entry. Businesses everywhere need blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, and social media captions. And most of them don't care where you live, only that the writing works. There are 2 lanes here. Content writing is explaining or informing. Blog posts, articles, guides. Copywriting is persuading. Writing that's designed to make someone click, buy, or sign up. Copywriting pays more, but content writing is the easier entry point. How to learn it fast. Study 10 to 15 examples of good copy in a niche you understand. Skincare, fitness, tech, whatever. Notice the pattern. Problem, agitation, solution, call to action. Practice rewriting 5 ads a day in your own words. That's it. You do not need a course for this. Realistic numbers based on current data. Beginners in Africa are landing their first paid articles around $15 to $30 each. Do 6 or 7 of those in a month and you've already crossed $200. From writing, you could start today. Skill 2. Graphic design with Canva. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need a design degree. Canva's free version alone is enough to build a real income stream, and it works on a phone. Businesses constantly need social media graphics, Instagram carousels, flyers, and simple logos. Small business owners especially. The local bakery, the boutique, the church event. They need this constantly and rarely have anyone in-house to do it. How to learn it fast. Pick 5 brands you like on Instagram and recreate their post style in Canva. Same layout, different content. Do this for a week and you'll internalize color theory, spacing, and hierarchy without ever opening a textbook. Then build 10 sample designs as your portfolio even before you have a client. This is called spec work, and it's completely normal for beginners. Pricing to start: $5 to $15 per single design, or a package of 10 social media posts for $50 to $80. One small business client on a monthly retainer can single-handedly get you to $200. Skill 3. Virtual assistant work. This is the most underrated skill on this list because it sounds boring. But it's one of the fastest to get hired for because the barrier is trust and reliability, not technical talent. A virtual assistant handles the small but essential tasks a business owner doesn't have time for. Answering emails, scheduling posts, organizing spreadsheets, doing basic research, managing a calendar. If you're organized and responsive, you already have the core skill. How to learn it fast. Get comfortable with Google Calendar, Google Sheets, and email management inside a day or 2. Most of this is intuitive. Then create one simple portfolio page, even a single Google Docs, listing what tasks you can take off someone's plate. Pricing: $3 to $8 an hour to start. or flat weekly rates of $30 to $50 for 10 hours of support. A single ongoing client working 10 hours a week can easily put you past $200 a month. And VA work tends to turn into long, stable relationships, unlike one-off gigs. Skill 4. Video editing with CapCut. Video is the most in-demand content format right now, and CapCut, completely free and built for phones, has made professional-looking editing accessible to anyone with a smartphone. Content creators, small businesses, and even other faceless YouTubers need people to cut raw footage into clean, engaging videos. You don't need to film anything yourself. You're purely the editor. How to learn it fast? Pick 3 videos you find genuinely well edited, fast cuts, captions, sound effects, transitions, and try to recreate that exact style using free stock footage. Do that 5 times, and you'll have both a demo reel and a real editing instinct. Pricing: $10 to $25 per short-form video edit, or $50 to $100 for a longer YouTube-style edit. 2 or 3 small clients a month gets you comfortably past $200, and editing work compounds. Good editors get referred constantly. Skill 5. Social media management. This one combines a bit of design, a bit of writing, and consistency. You're essentially running someone else's Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook page, planning posts, writing captions, engaging with comments, and tracking what's working. If you already post on your own social media and understand what makes content perform, you're closer to being hireable than you think. How to learn it fast? Run your own account or a friend's small business page for 2 weeks like it's a paid job. Post consistently, track which posts perform, and write a simple 1-page report on what you learned. That report becomes your pitch to your first real client. Pricing: $50 to $150 a month per client for managing one platform. 2 clients, and you've hit the $200 mark with genuinely predictable recurring income. Skill 6. Transcription and data entry. This is the easiest skill on the list to start today, with 0 learning curve, which makes it perfect while you're building one of the other 5 in the background. Transcription means converting audio or video into written text. Data entry means organizing and inputting information accurately. Neither requires creativity. They require focus and accuracy, and businesses pay reliably for both. Pricing: around $15 to $25 per audio hour transcribed, or flat per task rates for data entry. It won't make you rich, but it's fast, real money, while your other skill matures. And it's a genuine bridge to your first $200. How to get your first clients? Learning the skill is half the battle. Here's how beginners in Africa are actually landing clients right now. Start with Fiverr for the skills that sell well as a fixed gig: design, editing, writing. Clients search and find you, so you don't need to pitch. Upwork works better once you have a couple of reviews, since it's more proposal-based. LinkedIn is underused by beginners, but extremely effective for VA and social media work. Post about what you're learning and message small business owners directly. And don't ignore local Facebook and WhatsApp groups. A surprising number of first clients come from your own community before you ever land an international one. For getting paid, Payoneer is the most reliable option across most African countries and integrates directly with Fiverr and Upwork, letting you withdraw straight to your local bank account. One more thing. Your first client rarely comes from an application. It comes from you reaching out first, messaging 10 small businesses a day with a specific, useful idea for them, not a generic, "I do design, hire me." 3 mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Skill hopping. Trying writing for 3 days, design for 3 days, then quitting both. Pick one. Give it 3 real weeks before judging it. Mistake 2. Waiting to feel ready. nobody feels ready. You get ready by doing the work, not before it. Mistake 3. Undercharging out of fear, then burning out on $10 gigs. It's fine to start low, but raise your price every 3 or 4 clients as your portfolio grows. Staying cheap forever is how people quit at month 4. $200 a month isn't the ceiling. It's proof of concept. It's the moment you stop wondering if this works and start knowing it does. Every person earning $5,000 a month online started at their first 50. Before you go, drop a comment and tell me which of these 6 skills fit you best or which one you're most excited to try. If this video was useful to you, do me a favor. Hit like and share it with a friend who needs to see it. Someone out there is looking for exactly this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.